Alright guys, what we're going to talk about really quick is why you do not want to pre-crop a photo. Unless you've did a lot of your own printing, it might be hard to understand why you do not want to pre-crop a photo, and hopefully this video is going to clear all of that up for you. So this is a photo that I've taken in the studio. Sometimes in the studio, we're on a tight space. We don't always have the room that you have in an outdoor photo. So when I shot this, see how it's kind of cut off at the legs and the knee area? That's most likely not how we're going to print the photo. So I'm going to come over here and show you if the customer came in my studio and they wanted to print this specific photo. I'm going to crop it into how I would most likely print it. That's probably going to be the best way to print this photo in an 8x10. So if I pre-crop it and I deliver it to the customer like this and we want to print an 8x10, I'm going to show you what's going to happen. See, because we've pre-cropped it, now we've got a little girl with cut off hands. Cutting off hands is typically not something I like to do in a picture. So we've just got our ratio off because we decided to pre-crop that photo. However, let me show you if we don't pre-crop what it's gonna look like. So let's say we deliver the photo to the customer like this. We've got it further back than we had before. It's not pre-cropped for a print. And now they go to print it and they're going to have that extra room, or I'm sorry, you should be printing it. You shouldn't be letting them print your photos. Now you have that extra room to play with. You can crop it how you want and you don't have to worry about cut off hands. So the best thing to remember here is you do not want to pre-crop your photos. They should be cropped whenever the customer chooses the print size and you're going to print the photos. You want to crop them at the print level, not in the post-processing level.